So next, very briefly, uh, try to find the profile for carrier across different region. So uh, let's consider three regions: emitter, base, collector, and two junction: emitter to base junctions, EBJ, CBJ. Here we are going to use three separate coordinate system for three regions. So number one is base region. In that case, X is our coordinate, which is our variable as well, X. And then, so this is X is equal to 0, and this X is equal to XB, and XB is our width of the neutral. আচ্ছা, এটা এখানেই অলরেডি দেওয়া আছে। আচ্ছা, notations আমি এখানে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। So notations, the Ne, Nb, Nc are doping concentration. Xe, Xb, Xc, width of the neutral emitter, base, and collector side. So Xe is the width of the neutral emitter side. Xb is the width of the neutral base side. X is the width of the neutral collector side. De, Db, Dc are minority carrier diffusion coefficient in emitter, base, and collector regions. Le, Lb, Lc is the minority carrier diffusion length in emitter, base, and collector. Tau E naught, tau B naught, tau C naught, minority carrier lifetimes in emitter, base, and collector region. And in case of NPN, PE naught, PB, NB naught, PC naught, it is thermal equilibrium, minority carrier, electron hole and hole electron hole and hole concentration, hole concentration in emitter, base, in collector region. এখানে যে দেখেন PEX prime, if I go here, so since in emitter region we are going to consider the variable X prime, in collector region we are going to consider the variable X double prime. So PEX prime, it indicates the total minority carrier in emitter region. NBX is total minority carrier in base region, and PEX double prime is indicating total minority carrier in collector regions. So in fact, we don't need to worry much about these things. All we are going to show you the profile. Okay. So that is the profile for
স্যার
বলেন।
স্যার একটু নোটেশনে একটু আবার যেতে পারবেন?
হ্যাঁ বলেন।
স্যার এখানে ডোপিং কনসেন্ট্রেশনকে আমরা এনই মানে এমিটারের জন্য এন সাইডের জন্য এনবি আর কালেক্টর সাইডের জন্য এনসি বলতেছি। এখন এটাকে যদি আমি অ্যাকসেপ্টর আর ডোনর ইম্পিউরিটি কনসেন্ট্রেশনের সাথে রিলেট করতে চাই, তাহলে কি আমি যদি সাপোজ ধরি যে পিএনপি
পিএনপির জন্য এনপিএর এর জন্য এসএস ডোনর,
মাঝখানেরটা হচ্ছে আমার
অ্যাকসেপ্টর, again donor, and
ওকে স্যার।
এর জন্য উল্টাটা হবে আর কি। So that is the carrier profile for forward for active regions. We already found it out. You see in emitter site, the whole total hole concentration is dropping. In base site, একটা জিনিস খেয়াল করবেন, one thing you should be very careful about drawing the carrier minority carrier distribution in base region. The base region at collector to base junction, this is 0. That must be 0. এখন অনেকে এই ভুলটা করে, অনেকে করে কি এই জায়গাটা ড্র করে, so they draw it like that. So it doesn't mean that it is 0. It means that the concentration is NB naught at that point, but our concentration or the collector to base junction is 0. Okay. So this is a profile for when it is active region. And the next two is, this is our cutoff region. In cutoff region, so EBJ, CBJ, So both of them are reverse biased. এখন রিভার্স বায়াস মানে হচ্ছে রিভার্স বায়াসের প্রোফাইল, তার মানে হচ্ছে কনসেন্ট্রেশন on that edge is 0, concentration on that edge is 0, 0, 0. So simply the total minority carrier concentration and emitter side, it will be like that, and the base side, the both side যেহেতু reverse biased, so 0 here, 0 here, collector side 0 here, 0 here, simple. And that one is for saturation region. In saturation region, we know that this one EBJ and CBJ, so both of them are forward bias. So that means, so let's explain the scenario. So since it is forward bias, we are injecting electron from emitter to base. We're injecting holes. Sorry, we're injecting holes from base to collector in that emitter to base junction. Similarly, in the collector to base junction, since this is also forward bias, we're injecting electrons from emitter to collector to base. We are injecting holes from, similarly, something like that. But so that part is all right. But here we know, since your electrons are injected, so electrons become minority carrier in the base region. So maximum electron concentration on the depletion region edge. And again, if you notice that doping profile, if it's 10 to the power 19, 10 to the power 17, and 10 to the power 15, so that means doping profile is concentration of electrons very low here. So which means the numbers of electrons that will be injected from collector to base will be quite low. Inject করবে. So that would be our, you can say that would be our carrier electron concentration. ঠিক আছে? On that collector to base the junction. এখন দেখেন, this is our high concentration side of electron, this is a low concentration side of electrons. So in fact, electrons are injecting into the base region from both sides. Again, how are you going to find the distribution? The distribution will be simple as it is before. The high concentration electron, low concentration. So electron will be diffused from high concentration to low concentration. That's why our diffusion profile is from here to here, not from here to the 0. And then since holes are injected, holes become minority carrier here, okay? And it will diffuse like that. So that's the only thing that you need to accommodate. যে আমার collector to base junction এ যে electron concentration will not be 0, or the whole concentration will not be 0. In that case, electrons will be entering from there, electrons will be entering from here, but the concentration of electron is very high because the doping profile. The concentration of electrons is very low because of this doping profile. High concentration, low concentration, and electron diffuse from high concentration to low concentration region. So that is the profile for minority carrier within base region. All right. So